Well, the court has adjourned proceedings to tomorrow. That is tomorrow, the 9th of May, Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, for continuation of cross-examination of witness. Earlier on, the court ruled on some of the arguments for and against whether it should admit an earlier court judgment by the FCT High Court in the ongoing trial. And also, the court also ruled on the admissibility of the defense tendering more documents while the prosecution is still having its case ongoing. So the court actually ruled in favor of both of them, saying that the defense counsel can bring forth new documents as relating the case, and that the FCT High Court ruling on Yahaya Bello's brother, that's Ali Bello, and the incorporated trustee of the American International School in Abuja, saying that they could admit the judgment also in the ongoing case. Well, they continue with the court's examination of the witness from the American International School in Abuja. That is the person of the internal auditor who was placed in the witness box to give testimonies on the accounts and several dealings of the school, particularly. You know that the internal auditor is in charge of monitoring the company's accounts in case there's fraudulent activities and the likes. That's it for Yahaya Bello's case.
All right, Joshua, while we're at the court cases, or on the court cases, can you also update us on the price hike dispute between MultiChoice and the FCCPC regarding who has the right to do what?
Well, the court this morning ruled that the MultiChoice, that's the parent company of GoTV and DSTV, actually have a parallel proceedings before another court of jurisdiction, and it is an abuse of procedural process to bring such a case to that same court. But however, the court also spelled out some rudiments to FCCPC, saying that they can't go around telling people how to fix their prices and the likes, whether to reduce their price or increase their prices. That only that power lies, that particular power lies discretionary to the office of the president, saying he only can, through a gazetted order, give such order that a company should reduce or increase price. And the only power that the FCCPC has is investigatory powers, that they can go in the market to investigate prices, and that if such attitude should be condoned, and if they should go on with such a particular attitude, to sell investors from the country.
Okay, finally, Joshua, what is the latest? Let's take a detour to the trial of the IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu. What can you tell us about that?
Well, this morning we heard that the prosecuting counsel, that's the PSS, is bringing forth more witnesses before Justice James Omotosho. The trial is still ongoing. You know how they are concerning security and how they are actually allowing some people to enter and some others to stay outside, because we just have representatives inside the family of Nnamdi Kanu and the likes. So we are expecting more from the case, as there will be a cross-examining, they'll be examining more witnesses from the DSS and the federal government.
All right, Joshua Imarayi from Abuja, thank you so much for giving us the updates from the Yahaya Bello case to the Nnamdi Kanu case, and of course to MultiChoice. We'll definitely see how all of these stories pan out.